Okay, first of all, I don't get why everyone thinks I'm gay even though I'm wearing this bright pink shirt. I mean, I was young, I was in college, and it was only 37 times. Hold on, shit. I'm not Asian, I forgot the math. I forgot to add more 30. Fuck that shit. I'm not Asian. Black people don't do math, they steal. Look at all the political correct people over here. Fuck y'all. Black people steal and Jews go into ovens. Come on, y'all. Jews go into ovens. And Frank. First time in her life she could say she was hot when she was in that oven. I'm hot. I was, political correct, fuck y'all. Y'all don't like it now? Y'all don't like this shit. Santa Claus is white. Is the black people laughing? No, I'm seeing teeth. No, I'm seeing teeth. Oh, come on. Santa Claus is white. When's the last time a black man broke into your home and left you some shit? Black people steal. That's why God gave us mace. All the white people. All the black people get it. Thank Jesus. You ma'am. Ma'am, do you orgasm? Have you ever? Yes, come on. I'm gay, I orgasm. I mean, I fake it. You, ma'am? Come on, fellas. How many times you heard this? Ooh, you're the best. Ooh, yes, it's still for me too. Yeah, your daddy. I love it that they heckling the black man who's racist and gay. That is stupid as hell. Yo, daddy, I blew your daddy and your granddaddy. Fuck you. Just want to heckle my old black ass. I hate black people. I'm rooting for the white people. And you still heckling my ass. I hate them. They must be Obama supporters. Did you vote for Obama? How did that turn out? The black man said it. He fucked up the country. Y'all put that anti-terrorist Muslim up in the goddamn White House. It is the White House for a reason. White House, House of White. Jesus. Come on, stereotypes are true. Asians can't drive and black people don't swim. If God wanted my black ass to swim, he would put watermelon in the ocean. Fuck that shit. Come on. If black people were meant to swim every water mission. Oh my God. What is it, Becky? Shaniqua, is that watermelon? Oh my God, bitch, get the voice. That chicken, bitch, you better move. Come on, black people love chicken. I love white people. Y'all got to get them people. You old Uncle Tom, I hate slavery, black people, one of them great motherfuckers ain't laughing. Y'all kiss my ass with all that. I love you too, homo. I'll blow you after. Alright, I got a call back there.